Hi children. Okay, last class we all studied what? What and all we studied? Ascending and descending order, isn't it? Okay, hope you all are doing good. Okay, you all try that problems and all? Yes. So here ascending and descending order we studied. So you all must try by different questions. Okay, so we can go to next statement problems, isn't it? Here next question is, just look, Ramesh solved 2/7 part of an exercise while Seema solved 4/5 of it. Who solved lesser part? Who solved lesser part? So here what is the question? Ramesh solved 2/7 part of an exercise എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? ഒരു എക്സസൈസ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ് അത്രയും ഭാഗം ഫുൾ പാർട്ട് ഉണ്ട്. ഫുൾ പാർട്ട് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? 7 അല്ലേ? 7 പാർട്ടിൽ അവൻ എത്ര മാത്രമേ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളൂ? 2 ഭാഗമേ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളൂ. നമ്മൾ ഒരു സ്വീറ്റ് ഒക്കെ കഴിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് 5 പീസസ് ആക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു പീസ് ഞാൻ കഴിച്ചു എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ് 5ൽ 1 പീസ് ഞാൻ കഴിച്ചു. അപ്പോൾ 1/5 എന്ന് പറയാറുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? സോ ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ് ഇറ്റ്സെൽഫ് ഹിയർ ഓൾസോ 2/7 പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് an exercise while Seema solved 4/5 of it. അപ്പോൾ സീമ എത്രയാ സോൾവ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളൂ? 4/5 ഭാഗമാണ് അവൾ സോൾവ് ചെയ്തത്. Who solved lesser part? ആരാണ് സോൾവ് ചെയ്തത്? ലെസ് പാർട്ട് ആര് സോൾവ് ചെയ്തു അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് നോക്കിയാൽ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ജസ്റ്റ് ലുക്ക്, ദിസ് ഇസ് 2/7 and next is 4/5. How we can compare? Because the denominators are different. So first of all we must make what the denominator same. So we all studied last class how to what make the denominator same. How to make the denominator same? We want to find out the LCM first. So here you can write the statements and all. Ramesh solved this much part and Seema solved this much part, and therefore who solved, okay, what the who solved lesser part and all like that. You must write the statement problem. I'm just writing, I'm just doing how the workings and all. So you will be able to write the statement and all. You can write the statements in your words. So I'm just writing here how to solve this. That is 2/7 and 4/5 is here, isn't it children? So here who solved lesser part means first we want to compare these fractions. How to compare these fractions? Here we must find out the LCM first. How to find out the LCM here? 7 and 5. Any number will go in 7 and 5? No, there is no other number will go in 7 and 5. So we will be writing 7 into 5, it is 35. This is what here LCM. LCM is equal to what? 7 5s are, it is 35. So the next step is what? We must write each fraction to the denominator 35. So you will write 2/7 is equal to 35 and 4/5 is equal to 35. Isn't it children? Here you all know this. So next here is what? 7 into how much is 35? 7 5s are 35, 2 5s are 10. Again here also 5 7s are 35, 4 7s are, it is 28. So now you are able to what? Compare the two fractions, isn't it children? Here this instead of 2/7, that is here Ramesh is solving 2/7 part. So Ramesh solving 2/7 part means it becomes what? 10/35. And here Seema solved 4/5 part. So instead of 4/5 it becomes what? 28/35. So the denominator becomes what? Equal. So when the denominators are equal means we can compare these two fractions. Now you are able to compare which is small and which is big. Here you know what? This is small, that is what? Ramesh, that is 10/35 and Seema, it is here what? Here this is Ramesh, that is 10/35 and Seema here it becomes 28/35. So who solved lesser part? So you all understand by seeing this itself who solved lesser part, that is Ramesh, isn't it children? Here Ramesh solved the lesser part. So you must write the statements and all. You are bigger children because you are in 7th standard. No need of writing the statements and all. Because the smaller children, that is 4th standard and all, we teachers must write the statements and all. Now you are able to write the statement, so you must write statements and you must find out the workings and all in the working column. So here this is what is the answer. Who solved lesser part? That is Ramesh solved lesser part, that is 10 by 35, that it is what 2 by 7. So I hope that you all understand this question. Okay children, so we can go to next question. Here a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So here if you look, a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long. Here length, long means what? Length. A rectangular sheet of paper എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? Rectangle shape ഉള്ള ഒരു paper അല്ലേ? A rectangular sheet of paper is length 12 1 by 2 centimeter. Length is what? 12 1 by 2 and wide is 10 2 by 3 means it is breadth, isn't it? We all studied more about this and all. Here wide is 10 2 by 3. So what is the find? They are asking to find out the perimeter. So how will you find out the perimeter? We all know what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter is equal to, yes, it is 2 into length plus breadth. Isn't it children? That is 2 into length plus breadth. That is the formula for the perimeter. So here we must substitute the values. Here also you must write the statements what length of a rectangular sheet is equal to this much centimeter. Breadth of the rectangular sheet is equal to this much centimeter, like that. And also therefore you must write perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So how will you find out that problem? 2 into L plus B. What is L here? L is 12 1 by 2 plus B is 10 2 by 3. Isn't it children? Here that is instead of length we must write 12 1 by 2 and instead of breadth we must write 10 2 by 3 there. So how will you find out this? We all know what is inside the bracket, that you must solve first. Here what is inside the bracket there? 12 1 by 2 and 10 2 by 3, that the addition is inside the bracket here. So first we want to find out that addition and then we must multiply that with 2 here. This is 2 into, that is 2 in the bracket 2 into, that is 2 into what we are getting here. So this I am just doing it fast, that is 12 2s are, it is what? 24. 24 plus 1 it is 25. That is once more I will repeat, 12 into 2 it is 24 plus 1 25. So you will write here as 2 into 25 by 2 plus what is here? 10 into 3 it is 30. 30 plus 2 it is 32. 32 by 3. Okay children, you all understand that. So here how will you find out this? This is what the denominators are different. So again we want to change the denominator what? Same. Denominator we must make same, isn't it? Otherwise we will not be able to add. That is a rule here. We want to add or subtract, so the denominator must be same. Otherwise we are not able to add or subtract or compare. So here this is 2 and this is 3. How will you do? How will you find out LCM? Here we can find out LCM by using 2 and 3. Again 2 comma 3. How will you do? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. What is that? 2 into 3 it is equal to 6 is the LCM here. So you must make that what? Denominator as 6 here. So how will you make 25 by 2? What? How will you change this 25 by 2 into 6? This and all we can do, isn't it? 2 into 3 it becomes 6 and here 3 into 2 it becomes 6. So now you are able to do so much of problems and all by thinking itself we will be getting that we don't want to do and all. So by using like this 2 into 3 like 25 into 3 and also here also 3 into 2 and 32 into 2. Isn't it children? So you must do in a step like that. If you are not able, you can do like this also. Okay. So here 2 into 25 by 2, 2 into 3, 25 into 3. So it becomes what? 2 into 25 into 3 is what? 75 by 3 into 2 is 6 plus what is here? 32 into 2 it is 64 by 6. Okay, so you all got that? Yes. So how you got? This is what? LCM, that is denominator is different. So we must find out the LCM first, and we must change this denominator to the denominator what is the LCM there. So I have already changed by using this step itself. I just put into 3 like that, and here into 2 like that. So if you want, you just last class and all we studied by writing and all different steps like that also you can do. If you are doing like this also, it is correct. So here 75 by 6 plus 64 by 6. What is the answer? Here 75 by 6 plus 64 by 6 means we want to add the numerator and the denominator is same here. So here 2 into, like this I will write here, 2 into what? Here the bracket 75 plus 64. What is there? 5 plus 4, 9, 13. 139 by 6. 2 into 139 by 6. So again we can cut out the numerator and the denominator, isn't it children? Here 75 plus 64 is what? 5 plus 4, 9, 7 plus 6, 6 is 12, 13, 13, 139 by 6. That is 2 into 139 by 6. So again you can cancel the numerator and the denominator if possible, isn't it children? Here 2 is the numerator here and the denominator is 6. So we can cancel what? 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are is 2 and 2 threes are is 6. Again 3 will go here, you must check it out. 3 will go there? No. So what is the final answer there? 139 by 3, isn't it? If you want to divide and do it like that, you can divide and find out the mixed fraction, like how 139 by 3. 4 threes are 12 and again 19, 6 threes are 18, balance 1. So how will you find out this? That is 46, 1 by 3. It becomes like 46, 1 by 3. Okay children, you all understand this, how to find out? This is just what? Confusion question. So you must be able to understand this, how to do this and all. So how to, what? First the denominator we must make and then what? Compare and then you must add this. Okay. Next question is homework for you. Here Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. So Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining part was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple Somu eat? Who had the larger share by how much? This you must find out. Okay. The total will be, I will just give a clue, that is the total will be 5 by 5. That is 5 by 5 in the total. So 3 by 5 part, say 1 8, and so you must subtract it and find out. Okay children, we can see you in next class. Thank you.